Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add money on Revolut using a card. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will be describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version of Revolut that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. But of course, make sure as well that it is that Revolut is available in your country so that you will be actually be able to proceed to the next step. So after you open your Revolut app or website, go ahead and log in with your credentials and then you will see the add money feature. So go ahead and click it and then choose card. Enter card details and then choose the amount and then you will tap add and then confirm via PIN or 3D secure. Then after all that, money is now added to your Revolut account. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.